So we are going to talk about the different ways of algebraic limits, different ways of solving. So number one method is direct substitution method. Number two is factorization method. Number three we'll see rationalization method. Number four we'll use some standard limits formulas to solve. And number five will be the method of evaluation of algebraic limit at infinity. So let's see some examples of direct substitution method. So number one, let us take some sums. Number one we will do I'm writing some sums which will be doing limit x tends to 1 root over x plus 8 by root x, limit x tends to 0 3x plus 1 by x plus 3. See, we are taking limit x tends to 0 ax plus b by cx plus d, where d is not equal to 0. And one more sums will do limit x tends to 3 x square minus 9 by x plus 2. So these are very simple sums. We just have to put the value, that is x is equal to 1. So we are getting 1 plus 8 by root over 1, getting root over 9 by 1 is equal to 3. The next sums, so 3 into 0 plus 1 by 0 plus 3, that gives you 1 by 3. Next one we can do a into 0 plus b by c into 0 plus d, that is equal to b by d. This one we can write 3 square minus 9 by 3 plus 2, that is 9 minus 9 by 5 gives you 0. The next method which we will be going to study, number 2, is factorization method. So when to use this, let me tell you. Suppose we have a limit x tends to a, and this is gx function and fx function. Here, if we put limit x tends to a gx, we get a 0, and again limit x tends to a fx, we are getting 0. So we are getting 0 by 0 form. At this time, we will factorize gx as well as fx. Let's see. So some factorization methods which we should know is some identities. Next one we need a cube minus b cube, it is a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, and a cube plus b cube, a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Again we can require a4 minus b4, as usual a square minus b square, a square plus b square. This one can write a minus b and a plus b, and then a square plus b square. So we can use this factorization formulas for solving some numericals. I am taking some examples. Let us take some examples. Number one, I am taking limit x tends to 5 x square minus 9x plus 20 by x square minus 6x plus 5. Number 2, I am taking limit x tends to 1 by 4 4x minus 1 by 2 root x minus 1. Number 3, I am taking limit x tends to 2, 1 by x minus 2 minus 4 by x cube minus 2x square. So I'm taking some random questions. Limit x tends to 3, x square minus 9, 1 by x plus 3 plus 1 by x minus 3. So let us proceed with number 1 sums. Here, if we factorize, we are getting x square minus 4x minus 5x plus 20, and x square, what will be this? Minus 5x minus 1x plus 5. So it goes like this one. Limit x tends to 5, x bracket x minus 4 minus 5x minus 4 by x minus 5 minus 1x minus 5. So it is becoming x minus 4, x minus 5, x minus 5, x minus 1. So this gets cancelled, and after substituting we will get the answer. That is 1 by 4, and that is the answer. This is how we can proceed with number 2 also. Let us do number 2. The sum says limit x tends to 1 by 4, 4x minus 1 by 2 root x minus 1. So how to factorize? This can be factorized. Limit x tends to 1 by 4. We can write this one as 2 root x whole square and minus 1 whole square. So limit x tends to 1 by 4, 2 root x minus 1, 2 root x plus 1 by 2 root x minus 1. This gets cancelled, and we are getting limit x tends to 1 by 4, 2 root x plus 1. So we are getting root over 1 by 4 plus 1. It's equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. That is equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. This is the answer. So let us think about another sums. Number 3. So limit x tends to 2, 1 by x minus 2 is there. 4, x square you can take common, x minus 2. Now it's easy to factorize. X square, x minus 2. What is left with x square? And it is 4. So it becomes limit x tends to 2, x minus 2, x plus 2 by x square, x minus 2. So let's be cancelled. Now put the value. That is coming 4 by 4 is equal to 1. This is the answer. So I think you can try this one. Similar sums. Okay. The next part, we'll deal with the third system, that is rationalization method. Okay. So here also we will see that after putting the limit, we are getting 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Like for an example, limit x tends to 0, 2 plus x minus root 2 by x. If you put the value, you will see 0 by 0 form is coming. So what we need to do is rationalize the numerator. So how to rationalize? Rationalization system is very simple. What you have to do is just write it over here, 2 root 2 plus 2x plus root 2, and the same factor you have to multiply above. So limit x tends to 0, you'll see it's coming in a form root 2 plus x whole square minus root 2 whole square by x root 2 plus x plus root 2. So limit x tends to 0 is 2 plus x minus 2 bracket x root 2 plus x plus root 2. So this 2 gets cancelled. The limit x tends to 0, x bracket x to 2 plus x plus root 2. X gets cancelled. If I put the 0 in the place of x, getting root 2 plus root 2 is 1 by 2 root 2. Right? So this is another system. So we'll take some sums based on this. Okay. We'll take one sums like here. Question number 1 I'm taking. Limit x tends to 0 root over 1 plus x minus 1 by x. So these are all method of rationalization. If you put 0, you'll see it's coming 0 by 0 form. So what you have to do is rationalization. So we are doing what? Rationalizing the numerator. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x minus 1 by x. You are multiplying with root over 1 plus x plus 1 by root over 1 plus x plus 1. So in the numerator what you are getting? Root over 1 plus x whole square minus 1 whole square by x root over 1 plus x plus 1. So limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x minus 1 by x, 1 plus x plus 1. This 1 get cancelled. Limit x tends to 0, x by root over 1 plus x plus 1. X's gets cancelled. So put a 0, what are you getting? 1 by 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1 by 2. So one more sums I should show. Let us see the sums. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square minus root over 1 plus x by root over 1 plus x cube minus root over 1 plus x. So we put these values of x, it will come 0 by 0 form. So let us rationalize. Here we will rationalize numerator as well as denominator. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x square root over 1 plus x. So we are going to multiply plus x cube plus root over 1 plus x. Rationalizing the denominator first. Okay. So we can do 1 by 1. Okay. So what I'll do is just keep this one over here. Same thing copied. And the denominator part will be what? Whole cube minus root over 1 plus x. Sorry, whole square. So what are you getting? Numerator has to be copied. Root over 1 plus x by 1 plus x cube minus 1 minus x. 1 gets cancelled. Now we will rationalize the numerator. 1 plus x square minus root over 1 plus x. I will multiply with 2 over 1 plus x square plus 2 over 1 plus x. This part is left out. Factorize, you will get x square minus 1 and 1 plus x square to 1 plus x. So we can solve this one. It will be becoming 1 plus x square whole square to 1 plus x whole square and root over 1 plus x cube plus root over 1 plus x by x square minus 1 to 1 plus x square to 1 plus x. Okay. Now limit x tends to 0. We are getting 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x. And this one just have to copy. This is root over 1 plus x square to 1 plus x. Here we are getting with this 1. What is left out? X minus 1. Okay. X, this one should be factorized. X square root over 1 plus x. So this gets cancelled, this one gets cancelled, and now place the value of x, that is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 itself again, 1 plus 1. Then what's coming? 2 by 2 into 2, that is equal to 1 by 2. Yeah, this will be 0. 0 plus 1 will be 1. So this will be answer will be 1. And that is the answer. Now the next one is evaluation of algebraic limits by using standard limit. So if there is any form like this one, x to the power n, a to the power n by x minus a, then the formula is na n minus 1. So limit of this form will use directly the standard formula. So let us take one sums and explain it properly. Evaluate limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by cube root of x minus cube root of 2. So we can write like this: limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by x to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 to the power 3 by 2. We can also write like this: 1 by limit x tends to 2, x to the power 3 by 2 minus 2 to the power 3 by 2 by x minus 2. So I think this is in a form of, this is just a standard form we can use now. What is the form? The form is 3 by 2 into 2, 3 by 2 minus 1. that is coming 1 by 3 by 2 to 2 to the power 1 by 2. So how much is coming? 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 to the power half. That is equal to 2 to the power 1 minus half. Let's take an example. Limit x tends to 2, x minus 2 by cube root of x minus cube root of 2. So we can write like this: 1 by limit x tends to 2, x to the power 1 by 3 minus 2 to the power 1 by 3 by x minus 2. So it is forming, it's coming in a standard form. So write 1 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. 3 into 1 by 2 to the power minus 2 by 3. That is 3 into 2 to the power 2 by 3. And that is the answer.